Hey, Dad.
Get up and fishing stuff.
Dad.
Well, they're out there fishing.
Dad. You like One Direction?
Sure.
Good.
North.
Jerome, you like One Direction?
No, ma'am.
Get out of my kitchen!
Wow.
You like One Direction?
I do.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Right answer. Do you like One Direction?
I do.
Oh, good answer. Good answer. We gotta find Robbie. Let's just take it real slow.
I think that was a girl. Ask me.
Do you like One Direction?
I do. I love One Direction.
Do you like One Direction?
I love
I
them.
take that as yes. Do you like One Direction?
Yes, I love One Direction.
Do I like One Direction? Yes. Yes, I do.
Can't get them on video.
Oh, I'm not. Because, isn't that Robbie? Robbie and Robbie?
No, like we can't get Charles in them.
I know.
Just ride by on our bikes and someone hold the camera and then yell, do you like One Direction? Okay, if we go back, will you guys do that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh sure.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
He caught a largemouth bass.
That's great. You like One Direction?
No.
Not at all.
Get out of my kitchen! How about you, Robert? You like One Direction?
No.
Get out of my kitchen! You're a turd.
You're a turd.
Where's the fish go?
It's in the lake.
How do they know you didn't catch like 0 and you're saying you caught 4?
Because they saw it.
One Direction sucks.
That's bad.
You
Super bad, bad,
suck.
bad. Bacon.
Why'd you say get
Something that I can't say because there's children here.
Bad word.
I see your face on camera.
Watch out.
Ask them if they like One Direction.
Do you guys like One Direction?
Don't know that song.
No? It's not a song, it's a band.
Never heard of it.
Andrew, you like One Direction?
William!
That was his face. Their faces would totally win us that contest. Not your faces.
Huh?
It's not going on YouTube or anything.
Use this lure.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Use this lure.
Yeah, don't worry, I haven't gotten them. Alright, let's dance.
Alrighty. Here, just put
Yes.
over there.
Alright, go back
Yeah, it's
there.
good. It's good.
Go back a little farther, I can't see your face. Further up, if you can. Okay, that's perfect.
We need some music to dance to.
That's great.
Becca, we're dancing now.
Cool story, Becca.
Yeah.
All again.
I put my iPod over there.
Sliding is cool.
I mine. Does this pavilion have lights? Or a switch? There's nothing. There's no light bulbs in there. No, up there. Yeah. Oh, there's light bulbs now. There's like no light switch.
Are you all done?
I'm getting pretty close.
Because I want you to use this fish lure.
Hold on.
And you use the fish lure one time, so stop asking. We could
Okay. Robert, hand me the swivel over there.
we could
That was okay.
we could
Punch!